Here we go for a lap at Tsukuba in AE86, one of my favorite places. Going to be looking for a braking point just in the dirt after the road. Braking hard all the way into the corner, trailing off the brake. Make sure you stay inside. Be easy on the throttle on exit, all the way out to the curbing on the left. We'll be touching curbing on the left here, and then looking for a braking point a car length before the end of the curbing on the right. Again, braking hard, trailing it in, and letting the car rotate, being easy on exit, all the way up through second. Going to turn in and then lift off just a little bit. Back on the throttle out to the curbing. Just helps to get the car rotated. Now we're flat out through third. Make sure to hold it all the way to the curbing on the left. Then braking hard. Get it right down to the inside. And easing back on the throttle, holding second. Up to third. Now we're flat out all the way to the last corner. Now our last corner is really important. We're going to do about 25% brake pressure just before the pit sign, just to scrub the speed and help the car rotate. We'll be right back on the throttle, all the way out to track left. And make sure to use all of third to get a nice quick lap here at Tsukuba.